Hi guys, today I'll be telling you what I have learned from the movie The Martian. So, from the movie, I learned that never don't give up because no matter how difficult the situation is, believe in yourself to overcome it and focus on what you can do right now. Live in your present, and like in the movie, when his team left him behind, he made his way to Hab and get out of immediate danger. He know what to do, so he reacted to the situation. So you should know how to uh, come out from the situation and access the situation instead of running from it. Even though at the back of his mind he knew that he wouldn't have enough food, he chose to face his fears by calculating exactly how long he could survive, which means the power of calculation is also required. Like in this movie, he calculated, though he gets to know how much time he will be surviving and how to maximum the utilization of that resources. And even the person who were at NASA, they are also calculating how much days they will take to travel to Mars, how they can decrease it, how they can decrease the time only by calculating. So the power of calculation is also necessary in your life. And simple solution deliver result. You have to be just use your common sense. Simple solution which you are implementing in your daily life, they will help you out. Make short term plans, take baby steps to reach your big goal. Mark knew that he won't survive more than 4 years, but he concentrated on what he could do, like creating a way to communicate with and creating a way to communicate, sending messages, and also planning some trips nearby, so that he will get to know how will he survive. So he keep on trying. So from this movie we get to know that we should also keep on trying, never give up. Thank you.